How to get Roblox Auto Clicker. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started and make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up any web browser and in the search bar, search for Auto Clicker and press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to this page. From here, you have to navigate in this first link that says OP Auto Clicker and click on it. Now we have to download it. For that, we will download in this orange button. It says get it from Microsoft. So click on this orange button with download in it. Here it says your download will start shortly, which will take few seconds. And now it's getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it up. After you open it up, you will observe this pop-up box or this dialog box in your interface. After that, open up a new tab and then go to roblox.com. Then make sure to log into your Roblox account. Here I am already logged into my account. Once you're logged in, now open up the game that you would like to play in Roblox. For example, I have this game right here. Now after you do that, you have to navigate to this box. So first of all, there is a section for click interval, which means within this interval, the auto click will start. So if you go with 3 seconds or 4 seconds, after every 4 seconds, it will click automatically. You can choose hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds as well. So in my case, within 4 seconds, 100 milliseconds, the auto click will click again and again. Under that, there is a click option which allow you to choose the mouse button. If you click on this drop down box, there is left, right, or middle. Here I'll just go with left. And there is a click type. Either you want a double click or single click. In my case, I will just choose this single click. And in this click repeat, we will just leave it as it is. And under that, there is a cursor position. If you would like to put it in the correct position, you can simply select the first option, or if you would like to pick any location, click on pick location, and you have to pick a location according to your preferences. You can give the value for X coordinate and Y coordinate. Under that, there is a start button. Now let's pick a location by clicking on this pick location up button. Now you have to choose a location. For example, I want to click it right here. After that, once you have choose the location, click on start. After do that, after every 4 seconds, 100 millisecond in my case, it's gonna auto click. If you want to stop it, simply click on stop. And that's how you get Roblox Auto Click. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.